Hi everyone, Ben here from SwimClub Manager. I've got a few updates for you today because we pushed an update out at the weekend on Saturday and another one this morning. So I'll start with Saturday's update. You can now see the date of when a member last logged in right at the bottom of the View Member Details page, and we've added some extra space on the View Member Details page again at the top where all the tabs are to make it easier. And there was a bug fix done. There was a JavaScript error on the My Swimming page for certain users, not everyone. You have to have a certain amount of permissions or things switched on or off in the club settings page, but that's been fixed. And then another one, if you are in the SCM administrator role, you can now reset somebody's login password for them. Calendars, another bug fix. So when you set an end date for a session on a club session, on the calendar, that session is not displayed after that date. And then club events, a couple of extra bug fixes. You can now insert email templates when sending out emails. That works as expected. And also when you click the PBs function on a club event, you can now correctly set the pool and stroke and distance as expected. So that was the update we pushed out at the weekend. So today's update is the following. So this is version 7.2.0. Some more bug fixes. So when you're running the fastest club swim times report, if you set the date to say highlight times after a certain date, it now correctly shows them as green on that row. Another bug fix for the navigation menu. So in some circumstances, depending on what permissions you've got and what club features you've got set as active, the setup menu wasn't displaying for certain members. That's now fixed. When you're viewing a member details page, their name is now displayed at the top all the time, so no matter what tab you're on, you can see what member it is you're looking at. Couple of bug fixes for meets. You can now email meet volunteers as expected. Again, when you click the email meet volunteers, the pop-up comes. You can select all the options as you previously could. And also on the volunteer section for a meet, if the volunteer said yes they can attend and they didn't add any notes, you can now edit those notes even if they didn't put anything in. And then lastly, that was the same for club events as well, so meet and events for the volunteer notes bit. And lastly, on the login page, there's now an option, a checkbox that allows you to say, I want to stay logged in. So you'll stay logged in. So if you close your browser, come back the next day, reopen your browser, go to the login page, it'll automatically log you in. You can still log out by clicking the icon at the top right hand corner and choose log out, then that'll fully log you out. But if you stay logged in, it'll keep your session active even when you close your browser. And that's it for these two sets of updates. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.